With this unique accessory, the Tormek Drilling and Dressing Tool TT50 with diamond tip and screw feed, you can easily keep your stone perfectly round and flat. It is guided by the universal support, which also guides the jigs. It ensures that the stone surface is always parallel to the universal support, which is crucial in order to get an even bevel when sharpening. Thanks to the controlled screw feed, you can easily move the diamond tip evenly across the stone. Fit the fork around the leg and lock it into position. Lower the universal support until the diamond cutting tip is resting on the highest spot on the grindstone. Spin the micro adjust down to the bottom and then a touch more, just enough to lift the cutting tip off the stone surface. Move the cutting tip to the outside of the stone so that you can start working inwards. Set the desired cutting depth with the micro adjust from 1 mark to a maximum of half a turn. Often 1 mark is enough. Remember, you want to cut as little off your stone as is necessary. If you need to true the stone further, it is recommended that you make additional lighter cuts instead of a single heavy cut. Push down on the universal support above the micro adjust and lock it into position. Start the machine and feed the diamond tip at a steady rate. Take 30 to 90 seconds to cross the stone. By feeding more quickly, you will create a coarser and faster grinding surface. Your stone is now perfectly round, straight across, parallel to the universal support, and ready for work.